Imagine you're telling Claude to find all open issues in my GitHub repository, create the branch, fix the top bugs, or open a pull request. You're not working on a GitHub on a web browser using tab, or you're not using your GitHub CLI or juggling with different terminals. That's the power of GitHub MCP integration inside Claude Code. In next 2 minutes, you will know exactly how to set this one up, and you can do whatever you want with the GitHub integration. First thing what you have to do is you have to go to .cloud settings.json, which will be under your home directory for Linux, or if it's for Windows, it'd be under C users and your home. I will show you in my screen, but before that, let me just walk you through how it will look like. And go to the MCP section, and we need to just add few blocks for GitHub. Just add GitHub, and you use stdio command npx, and you give the MCP protocol for GitHub. That's it. Then you enter your environment variable, and you need to give your GitHub personal token. And I will tell you how to create this one as well. Super simple, just few lines. I'm going to put this information in my YouTube description, so you can just copy paste from there. This is the entire config. What you have to do, just save the file, restart your Claude, and you should be up and running. So if you go to your cloud.json, which is, if you see I'm in Windows, C users, capital and cloud.json, go to your MCP section, mcpServers, and then add this section which we just shared. And you can see I have multiple MCPs. I have Atlassian, I have Excalibur, I have Docker. It's almost the same. You just put every content there. Now what you need to do is you need to change the token with the GitHub token. For that, go to your GitHub settings. You go to your profile, go to your settings, go to your developer settings, click on token, then generate a new token. Super simple. Then once you generate, you just put that token there. When you generate the token, you can set the permission you want to give access for your repo, so that it can pull information. A lot of things you can give read access just for read. So based on what you want to set, then you update. This currently is I'm updating the token, but if you will be for generating a token. So once you set the token, and if you go to your /mcp, you should see your MCP for GitHub is connected. If it's not connected, means then something like this, that means you have some authentication failure. So super simple. Once you connected, that means you get the full access to your GitHub through mcpServer. So what you can do once you have the GitHub MCP connected, you can ask anything to your Cloud through Cloud. You can ask your mcpServer. It will go to your GitHub API, and then you get everything in your Cloud screen. For example, you can ask like list all open issues, or create branches, open PRs, search code, add reviewers, anything you want. For example, I can show you how. Let's do something hands-on. So as an example, I'm just going to ask Claude like list all my open issues in my org, and I'm going to run it. You can see it started searching, and it's asking for our permission, but you can enforce like you don't want to ask for the permission. It's okay, but I would say don't give full permission for all the cases. So let's see what it gives. Now you can see it has listed down all the issues. There are 10 open issues across my org, and there are all the details. So you can try out whatever you want. Now here's the rule: if you need to connect remote GitHub operations like creating issues, opening PRs, managing repositories, use MCP inside Claude. If you only need like local version control like commit, branches, merges, I would say use terminal and use your Git CLI. And on other side, if you are a full developer experience, run both together. You can have both remote GitHub CLI, or you can have like Claude MCP. So this both ties everything together seamlessly for you. So one JSON block, right? And you just need one personal token, and that's it. That's all take for your GitHub to be inside Claude Code, right? Drop a comment, and that's in the video description. Let me know what's your first workflow you want to automate using GitHub MCP. And if you like this video, put the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'm happy to hear your feedback, so put the message in the comment section. See you in the next one.